Temu package. Yep. Okay, this is like my 4th order. Got some very small detailed brushes. I'll be trying out these brushes. I like this one right in the middle. That's why I bought it, but we'll see. Got these kitchen cloths. I could just open them. Oh, they're cute and big. They're really cheap too. Cute little fanny pack. That's really cute. Wow, can't wait to wear it. Another little fanny pack that you can like put underneath your clothes. I'm trying to catch the light, but I don't know if I'll be judged by this, but this goes on my daughter's hand and this goes on mine. Cause in public, she dips, like dip. Got some mosquito sticker things that you put on yourself. I don't know. This is the 2nd time I'm ordering these brushes because I love them so much. I wanted another one, so I got one. I might as well throw in my Amazon purchases too because it relates. I like this brand from Amazon. So I got this big split cake. Got a lot of sponges for face painting. A big case of cosmetic glitter. And there's like a whole bunch of colors. So I'm excited. But that's it. And this is my Mario inspired look. Bye guys.